Okay, homeowners and future electricians, a little talk about arc faults. Okay, the arc fault circuit interrupter can be a circuit breaker. Okay, basically, they do make them in a receptacle variety. I don't think in 20 some years I've ever seen one installed. It's normally just an arc fault circuit breaker. Usually a lot of times now in conjunction with a combination arc fault and ground fault circuit breaker. Okay. An arc fault is created when there is a loose or corroded termination connection. It could be a wire nut, it could be at a device when the screws is loose, and this creates overheating at the termination or the connection. Earlier on in my videos when I was talking about basic electrical theory, I made a statement that the weakest link in any electrical system is at the connections or the terminations. Wires normally just do not go bad in the middle. It's wherever you have a connection. So all your connections are important. Look at my videos on termination and connections for more information. This is called an arc fault because the current flow will try to arc across that little gap in there in the termination or the connection. This is a primary cause of electrical fires. That little zing, zing, zing noise you might hear. Sometimes the switch is going bad. Yeah, you may have heard that, okay? Or the old Frankenstein movies where the electricity is flowing through the air in between these big ice insulators. That's an extreme situation. The arc fault creates a disruption in the normal sine wave of AC current flow. It's alternating current. It's got a sine wave on an oscilloscope that looks like this. When you have an arc fault, that sine wave will get disrupted. Okay, an arc fault circuit breaker will detect this disruption and trip to the off position. Arc fault protection is to prevent fires. Ground fault protection is to protect humans and, of course, our beloved animals. All right?